Let me show you how to make a really easy aloe vera after sun spray. You will need some aloe vera gel, some witch hazel, some vegetable glycerine, some vitamin E oil, Preservative Eco, and essential oil if you want to. I've chosen peppermint for a lovely cooling, tingling feeling, and some distilled water. First, add 40 grams of aloe vera gel to a beaker. I like to weigh all the ingredients as I find it easier. 10 grams of witch hazel, 5 grams of vegetable glycerine, 5 grams of vitamin E oil, 1 gram of Preservative Eco. Let's change scales. You need to add a preservative because it's a water-based product. We don't want it going off or any nasties growing in it, so we add a preservative. And 0.5 grams of essential oil, if you want to. And finally, 38 grams of distilled water. Give it a little mix to mix all the ingredients. And then transfer to a spray bottle. And there you have it, a really easy aloe vera after sun spray. So when you're ready to use, give it a good shake, spritz onto your skin, and it'll make your skin feel so smooth and moisturised and cooling. And for an extra cold sensation, pop it in the fridge, and then it'll be so cold when you apply it to your skin. All the ingredients can be found on naissance.com.